So the one main thing I think is the culture,
Culture.
change management. So that's a huge barrier where people are so used to doing in a certain way, and you are talking about AI, which is I compared to sort of how electricity 100 years ago, where it sort of transformed everything, right? So that's the potential, but you need to have a different mindset from top management. You need to make sure the barriers comes because of the lack of knowledge and awareness, and that's what I say. In fact, in some of the speeches I've given, I said AI for everyone. Everyone should have a knowledge. It's not the technology people. Everybody uses technical team, produces these models, but it's a business team who needs to use that models and get out, value out of those solutions, right? So everybody should have a basic understanding what is AI, why we need AI, what are the problems that's going to solve. So, and then you need to have the education and awareness, starting from top man. Even top management should know what is it. That's when they try to put that emphasis top down. That's one thing. And the barriers, hopefully you will get rid of that while we have more and more education innovation programs. And there is a whole topic around AI talent gap that we need to look at, and look at the holistically how we solve but if I have to take in a summary, it's the culture, it's the change management or aspect of it that's often becomes a barrier.